would like to welcome you to our room tour at Club Wyndham Royal Sea Cliff Resort in Kailua, Kona, Hawaii. We will be touring a 2-bedroom plus unit today, room number 110. There is only one 2-bedroom plus unit owned by Wyndham at the Royal Sea Cliff Resort, and it is unit number 110. Today's room tour is brought to you by Transforming Travel LLC, providing inclusive travel services for people and families seeking transformative and memorable experiences to fun, safe, and affirming destinations. As we enter unit number 110 at Club Wyndham Royal Sea Cliff Resort in Kona, Hawaii, we are greeted by a security gate as well as an electronic door lock. You can unlock the units at Royal Sea Cliff Resort with either your room key card or your provided wristband at check-in from the concierge. As you enter the 2-bedroom plus unit, you will see an entryway with a table, as well as a step down into the living area of the unit. This living area has 2 sofas, at least one of which pulls out into a queen sleeper, as well as a sizable TV and additional living room seating. The living room has a bar area with a small sink and steps up into the dining room. The fully equipped kitchen in this 2-bedroom plus unit features a full-size electric range and oven, full-size residential refrigerator, and a microwave oven. There is ample cabinet storage, service for 8 people, as well as pantry space. Adjacent to the kitchen is a closet featuring a top and bottom washer and dryer. The other closet houses pantry space and the hot water heater. As you walk down the hallway, you will see a guest half bath at the top of the stairs and entry into the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom in this 2-bedroom plus unit features a queen-sized bed and a full bathroom. There is ample closet space as well as counter space in this full bath. The separate toilet room features a shower, tub, and on the other end of the hallway, you will find the master bedroom. This master bedroom features a king-sized bed, as well as sliding glass doors leading onto the lanai. There are 2 chairs for TV viewing, as well as a desk area for work and a huge flat-screen television. The master bathroom features a separate room with the shower, tub, and commode. There are 2 huge closets and a double sink vanity with ample drawers and cabinet space for storing toiletries and essentials. This master bedroom features an ocean view and overlooks the adult-only quiet pool. As you step out of this ocean view living room, you have direct access through sliding glass patio doors onto a spacious lanai that overlooks the Pacific Ocean. The lanai features 4 chaise lounge chairs as well as a small patio table with 4 chairs. We hope you have enjoyed this video walkthrough of this 2-bedroom plus unit at Club Wyndham Royal Sea Cliff in Kona, Hawaii. As mentioned before, Club Wyndham only has one of these units available at Royal Sea Cliff, and it is unit number 110. If you would like help booking your next trip to the Big Island of Hawaii or anywhere else, feel free to contact Transforming Travel LLC. You can drop me an email at matt@tftravel.co or visit the website ravel.co. Thanks for watching, and mahalo.